Hey, so my name is McKinley, and I'm going to teach you guys about the formation of woven and lamellar bone today. So to get started, woven bone is actually the first bone formed in fetal development and like building bone when you break a bone, when your bone's rebuilding. So it all starts with osteoblasts. That's what these little guys are here. Osteoblasts secrete protein, and like the main protein that it secretes is collagen, but it combined with other extracellular proteins. Collagen combines with them to form the bone matrix, and so like those proteins together are called osteoids. So collagen and other extracellular proteins combine, and that combines with the hydroxyapatite crystals to form the whole bone matrix. That's what this kind of mess is here. But the reason why it's called woven bone, right here we've got woven bone, is because when the collagen and the hydroxyapatite crystals form together, you get this like woven kind of like matrix looking thing, just a bunch of fibers randomly arranged within the bone matrix. The advantage of that is it's made relatively quickly, but some of the disadvantages would be that it's pretty weak. It's not strong. So this is like the first step in building bone, and so like a more strong, firm, solid bone we get that we develop after woven bone is made is called lamellar bone. So lamellar bone begins to be built by osteoclasts, and that's what this little guy here is. So osteoclasts come along here along the bone matrix, and it begins to digest this matrix that's been made. And as it digests this matrix, these long grooves are made within the bone matrix. And that happens so that osteoblasts can come in here, and these little guys, these osteoblasts, they'll come into the bone matrix that the osteoclast has made these long grooves, and it gives it space for it to build new bone. So it will secrete collagen, and these collagen fibers, unlike before where it's like woven and not really arranged in any kind of order, now has this highly structured order and pattern to it, with fibers that run parallel now to these long grooves. And so as this happens, sorry, this is kind of like a mess. Trying to get these running parallel now. So that you have the osteoblasts in these long grooves, the collagen will come and build more solid bone. That bone being lamellar bone now. So now we have lamellar bone. And so yeah, so that's the formation of bone. So I hope you guys were able to understand it all. A little bit of a mess, but as long as you understand that osteoblasts secrete collagen into the bone matrix combined with hydroxyapatite crystals, they form woven bone. And then woven bone is made by osteoclasts, breaking down some of this, creating these long grooves. Osteoblasts come in again, and they build more solid lamellar bone. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed it.